This is Sambasam, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the topic on engineering drawing through the solid softwares. Everybody knows engineering drawing is one of the basic concepts in engineering documentations or practicing any machinery parts, right? It is a curriculum which is integrated in first year of any mechanical, mechatronics, or core-oriented branches. As I said, we have discussed earlier, like in engineering mechanics, the projection of points plays a vital role. Based on their projection, how the point has been visible from top view, front view, and side view, or we are going to discuss about in this video. The first and basic thing is the first quadrant projection. So the first project projection is always liable on the in front of VP and above HP. This is how the point has been marked and how it has been developed and how it has been shown in the 2D version is using the Solid software. Everybody knows Solid software is one of the most important thing. Let me share the present of Solid software. So this is how we are going to project that how the point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So the projection we are going to draw. So the first and foremost is there is a lot of commands in the Solid software. So we normally uses this line software, and similarly for the point there is a arrow mark which we push. There is a point like software has been there. So to create the points for lines, we have to click this one to create the lines. So first one is just I'm making an axis line. So everybody knows the axis line is right up. So axis line is nothing but the reference. The text this text create text box tool is used to create a text. So I just click here and mention as X. Similarly, I click here and mention as Y. So if then I have to move it. We have to click it and I have to move that. So accordingly, it has been places. Now, as per the schedule, they have mentioned like imaginary lines. So I just drawn for your conclusion before entering into a final draw. So as they said, the first point is from this point. I just click that. Like similarly, the point is 20 mm above HP. So I have to draw similarly like this. And similarly, the point is 30 mm in front. So it represents similarly. So I have to mark the point here. So I like projection the point like this one. So for differentiation, I using this point as in different colors. Within I mark it as a red color. So this will be useful for them. So when I remove the image extension, is the point will shows like this. So this represents the variation of how it has been different from various parts. So for projection, it is a rule, regulatory rule that we have to rotate x-axis instead, but to 90-degree in clockwise direction, because to represent in the two-dimensional sheets, we have to rotate. So this point from we see that the dimension will be the 30 mm, and when we look from this position, it will be looks like it is 20 mm of height. So when I presses the 35 mm comes below. Let me check it into the drawing. So as I said earlier, to represent it, first I have to draw the line which is an imaginary one from this point as a center, as origin. So from this, as I said, like it is an in front of VP, right? So above HP has been drawn into an VP. So the above HP is 30 mm. So I have drawn the line as 30 mm. Similarly, I have to draw the line of this edge is 20 mm. So this is the exact point we are saying. So for viewing purpose, I like to zoom by using the zoom area software. So when you say zoom area, zoom particular zoom, so it would like this. Then I like to mark this point with this thing. So when I click this, there is a point. And then remove then I have to change this as imaginary lines. So I just click this as with the low dimensions and using the different colors to represent the imaginary lines. So I just using any one color. So it like this. The size also we can be increased by using this one for that particular point. So it will be representing this, and I am representing this using red color. Similarly, the point also I am marking the point here. So for that, I am also changing the size. So maximum thickness of 2 mm, and also color is red color. So the represent has been done. Then I have to, for that I am to mention this as A and this as mentioning this as within a 3 mm size, and mentioning this as A and mentioning this as A dash. And when you need to the dimension, you can use the smart dimension process where we can able to get the exact dimensions of the particular this. This is how we have to represent the projection of point in first quadrant. Similarly, I would like to show in the second video is about how to place in the second quadrant. Thanks for watching this video. I will